Okay, with that, everything is done. No? Voice is clear. Okay. So when the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen only created carbohydrate. Okay. So, John, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen only created protein. Without, first of all, I wanted to say you one thing. Please keep in your mind. Okay, these things only coming as a formula. Formula means, okay, I'll give another example. Okay, wait. I'll give an example with the C here. If you take first, we take the carbohydrate. This formula only we have to study. Because today we'll be studying three things: carbohydrate. I mean, biology, physics, and chemistry will be studying today. This formula is very important. Okay, see this: 2C6H12O6. I'm saying this is carbohydrate divides into three buddha. Video still, but I think that they are covering this. Okay, so carbohydrate divides into three buddha. One is monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Okay, carbohydrate divides into three things buddha: monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. Okay, my internet is okay with that. Carbohydrate having three things with the monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. Okay, monosaccharide means, let's listen down. Monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Yes. When called comes off this end. Okay, yeah. Monosaccharide, disaccharide. Tell your friends not to go long. Okay, monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Monosaccharide. See here, Buddha. I am teaching what you don't. In carbohydrate, you have three things. Saccharide. They are the saccharides. Saccharide means, Buddha. Students, I wanted to say one thing. Science came from Greek. Okay, just imagine Buddhists came from Buddha. The religion Buddhist came from the Sanskrit. Okay, Sanskrit, Pali. If you take Hinduism, Buddha, there also sometimes Sanskrit and Hinduism. Okay, Buddha. If you take Islamic religion, Buddha, they are Arabic. So what I'm trying to explain you is how the religion comes, which language the religion comes, Buddha. They mostly say, okay, that language only, Buddha, they reveal in the Holy Book. Like that only, Greek only, Buddha, science is produced in Greek. In Greek only, Buddha, science came. So that in science, Buddha, it's coming as Greek only. So saccharide means sugar. In science, Buddha, we call it as saccharide. Saccharide means Buddha sugar. Okay, sugar only, Buddha, known as saccharides. Okay, simply what I'm trying to explain you is Buddha. Mono, di, poly. Okay, tri, penta, octa. Octa means Buddha octopus, 8. Penta, pentagons. Trishow. Some trishow Sri Lanka people are saying Hata. Okay, pentagon, octopus. Okay, if you take the like this language, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, don't think about Samantha. These kind of things are that Hinduism, that language. Okay, monosaccharide. Mono means one. In science, mono means one. Saccharide means sugar. One sugar. Disaccharide, 2. Saccharide means sugar. Two sugar. Polysaccharide. Poly means many. Saccharide means sugar. Polysaccharide. I mean many sugar. With a nicely remember, one sugar means mono means one. Di means 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. With a nicely remember, 1 plus 1 is 2. Students, for sugar, in science we call it as the glucose. C6H12O6. This is sugar, Buddha. In science we call it as the glucose. C6H12O6. What you don't only coming to exam. What you know, they will never give. What you don't know about the fellows gives. I don't know why Sri Lankan examiners are having these kind of things only. Okay, what the people don't know about, they give that to. Okay, even exam school teacher also like that. No. So, okay. What? Okay. With the school teacher also like that. No, to make a good name from the principal. Okay, what teacher says is she gives the tough paper. So principal will give a promotion to the teacher, but demotion to you all only. You all really all form. Okay, so nicely see monosaccharide. 2 monosaccharide only Buddha produces disaccharide. 2 monosaccharide Buddha produces disaccharide. Nicely see, for sugar we call it as C6H12O6. For sugar we call it as Buddha C6H12O6. Students, 2 monosaccharide forms a disaccharide. Two monosaccharide Buddha forms a disaccharide. Next is Buddha. Two monosaccharide forms a disaccharide. When they forms a disaccharide, H2O molecule will go. ஒரு டைசக்கரைட் வந்து செய்ய போகல H2O தண்ணி ஒரு molecule வந்து வெளியே போகும். Example Okay. Students, hope you all can hear me. Hope you all can hear me, Buddha. Listen. Students, can hear? Can hear? Yes. Students, see, two monosaccharide forms a disaccharide. Like you can't believe your friends know, Buddha. Okay. Today, status. Status is a very good name. Okay. This fellow is a doctor. He is a status. This fellow is a teacher. He is in this status. Okay. This fellow is an engineer. He is in this status. Because nowadays this status became so bad due to this WhatsApp. Today morning, okay, I am going to die. Morning, Buddha. I am seeing that why win? But no one is understanding my feeling. You have to understand your feeling. Don't put the status and make the 300 people to understand. Because you all have to understand yourself to make it a gentleman. Why you want to express the feeling there now? There are many, some of my students, I really miss you. When I see that, Buddha, I am getting upset. Oh, really, Mr. Why are you seeing that? No, sir, I said to my friend, put some fires and put them. Why are you thinking? My friend got accident with them. Okay, before 2 weeks, my friend got accident. Yesterday morning, I'm seeing his status with this sister Buddha. He is dancing. Akin Sakari, I don't know how this TikTok saying it. Another friend, Sharada Matan, I go Sharada Matan put AC at home. Why are you putting in status? Okay, this TikTok channel is making you so busy. Okay, don't go to that. So simply what I'm trying to explain is to the two C6 explosion. One carbohydrate, okay, count one glucose to the one monosaccharide, you are multiplying by 2, that is to the becoming disaccharide. When it becomes disaccharide to the, it releases a H2O molecule. Next is here to the, voice is clear. Voice is not clear. Okay. Okay, Buddha, nicely see. Disaccharide. Okay, when it forms disaccharide, Buddha, H2O molecules goes up. When it's formed, first put the H2O. In exam they will ask, write the formula for glucose, I mean disaccharide. When you write the formula for disaccharide, put this first with the number 1, step by step. Don't put the, if you come to the business, you can't go to the Ambani's level. Okay, there was a boy Buddha who was so poor, very poor. Okay, so what he did this Buddha, he wanted to Sri Lankan. He wanted to become a rich person. Okay, and he went and worked in a company Buddha for a sweeper. For a sweeper Buddha, he went to the company. After going to the sweeper job Buddha, he was working hard and Buddha. He took around 35 years to become as a Dhammika Perera of Sri Lanka, who is one of the richest person in Sri Lanka. Dhammika Perera, who is paying Buddha high amount of tax to Sri Lanka. Our Sri Lanka is Buddha living because of him only. We just go and see it in the internet. So there are many things Buddha. You can't come to the successful level without a step. Step is very important in your life Buddha. Okay? And I also saying, okay. First point. Second, students. When you multiply 2 into 6, how much Buddha? Like a door only you have to learn now. But you are speaking Buddha, I can't hear. But Buddha, like a door only you have to learn. If I say Buddha, tell you have to write, yes, write the map. How to go to that mountain, Kade, like that only you have to learn Buddha. What to do? I also can't hear no. But the children are shouting, Doro can't hear no, Buddha, like that. So tell Buddha, 2 into 6 how much? 12. Very good. Okay, next thing. 2 into 12 how much Buddha? How much? Tell me. 2 into 12 how much Buddha? It's 24. Students, nicely see. 2 into 12 is 24. 2 into 12 is 24. But 2h is here. But in 24 Buddha, minus 2. Then 22. H. 20. 2 H's here, no, Buddha. There are 2 H's no here. So 22 plus 2 into 6, 12. One no is there. 2 into 6 is 12. One no is there. Yeah, one no is there. So you have to 2 into 6 is 12. One no you have to subtract. So 11. As we see, Buddha, 2 6 are 12. Done. 2 12 are 24. Here 2 it's 2 are there. This fellow water is going out. එපා වෙලා තියෙන මට මෙයා මේ සෙට් කරලා එපා වෙලා තියෙන පුතා like your pencil. Okay, so volume down. Okay, so 2 into 12 is 24. Okay, 24 there are 2 H's here, they are going out, so you have to subtract 24 minus 2 is 22. Next thing is puta O11. O11 means puta you have to there one noise here it's going out, so 2 into 6 is 12, one noise going out, then 11. Answer puta. So this is the formula for disecond. Puta for this exam in your
Too fast.
Okay, in your exam puta they will ask this question for 2 marks. Okay, again I'll say you puta 2C6H12O6. This is monosecond. 2C6H12O6 monosecond. How do you expand the monosaccharide formula? 2 6 are 12. 2 12s are 24, but here 2 is there. So 24 minus 2 is 22. Done. 2 6 are 12. Okay. But this fellow 2. Then 11. That's it. This is for the formula for expanded formula for disaccharide. In your exam, they are asking. Don't go. Okay. Carbohydrate is what for the? Carbohydrate is what? Carbohydrate is what? CHO. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Carbohydrate divides into 3 puta. Monosaccharide, that means puta 1 sugar. Disaccharide, that means puta you mean volume. So okay. Monosaccharide, that means puta 1 sugar. Disaccharide, that means puta 2 sugar. Write the answer. Tell the answer. If I unmute puta. Okay, it becomes a politician meeting. You don't know about it. When I go to some schools, I know I am reluctantly I was against some science themes. Reluctantly I was against some science themes. Number 1 is humans came from apes. Are you believing people came from apes? Your best friend came from apes only. You came from apes, no. Your family came from apes, no. But when I go to school with some school, I know people came from apes. These fellows are jumping from there to there. Some fellows are hanging on the fan. There are some fellows in front, then only opening the kottu. Yesterday night, father is bringing some kottu. That was balance. Mother is putting it in the refrigerator. Sri Lanka people not throwing anything. I'm also saying Buddha. Usually I don't throw some underwear also. Because when you use the underwear, there are some holes will come. Okay, I put outside my bathroom. When you come to the you can sweep and go. Okay, when it's becoming there are 2 sides with that. Again, I'll take the wipe the vehicle. Okay, Buddha. Yeah, so yeah, reusing some Sri Lankan people don't throw anything. Okay, when Portugal they put in the refrigerator. Tomorrow with the pointer, that fellow is opening the kuttu like a crow coming. So same thing will happen now. That's why I have muted. But in our next session, promise in our next session I will unmute you. Okay. Hope you will be doing best now. Okay. So this is the elaborative formula for carbohydrate. Summary of the lesson is carbohydrate means monosaccharide. Mono means 1. Saccharide means sugar, 1 sugar. Disaccharide. Di means what? Di means what? 2. Saccharide means sugar. Then 2 sugar. Polysaccharide. Poly means many. Saccharide means sugar. Many sugar. Okay. Monosaccharide. Expanded formula. Disaccharide expanded formula. 2C6H12O6. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 12 is 24. 2 going S2 has been divorced. Okay, going there. And 2 into 6 is 12. O is going to the 1 O is going. So 11 is. So this is the expanded formula for disaccharide. Buddha, nicely see, Buddha, you all haven't studied this no before. You all studied this, but It's different over the method is different. Nicely, see, I was giving another thing. There is another formula. I'll take this one. 2C6H12O6 C12H22O11 plus H2O. This one only with the okay. This one only with the I now taught you. Students always in science or mathematics. Okay, for me the hardest subject is history. I don't know whether they told kings don't have name or not. Okay, Rajasingha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parakarabahu 9. Same names are coming now. Okay, like that only. Students, there are many part in science and maths. Both are same Buddha. Always LHS should be equal to RHS. That's must. See here Buddha. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is must Buddha. There's another formula. LHS is equal to RH. I'll give that formula also. In this exam, they will be asking that formula also. One is 6 CO2 photosynthesis formula. Photosynthesis formula plus H2O. Okay. C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Students, nicely see. I won't put this 6. I won't put this 6. Students, for photosynthesis, plant is taking carbohydrate. Plant is taking carbohydrate. Sorry, carbon dioxide. Plant is taking carbon dioxide. Plus, plant is taking water from the root. Plant is taking water from whom from the root. So, carbon how photosynthesis how it happens. That's why I am going to teach you. Carbon dioxide plus water equal glucose. Glucose means have you ever seen a plant is waiting in a cube okay, in a below so almas or something. After the full Sri Lankan people say nice pronunciation. After full. Okay, not full means not full Buddha. Still I have that confusion. When they put push Buddha, you are pulling. No, it's not coming. Don't do it. Then pushing and doing. When they put push Buddha, when they put pull, you are pushing and doing. Okay, that's why they have put the signs now. You are breaking the doors. Okay, company is getting for loss. Okay, you are going for bad debts. I don't know about the debit and credit. Okay, okay, CO2, H2O, CCH2. The glucose is a food Buddha. Plant produce for himself. Photosynthesis. Next, O2. After producing the food Buddha, after producing the food, oxygen goes up. This is the formula. What I have said in the sentence, carbon dioxide plant takes, water also plant takes. This is taking. Okay, this is storing and this is giving. C6H12O6 is the food. Okay, O2 oxygen is for the sending. This is the formula. I mean sentence. I have written it for you. In here also, LHS left hand side should be equal to right hand side. See, that's why what we are doing is we are putting 6 here. Okay? Done. Done, no? Okay. Okay, done. Okay. When they are admitting Buddha, why I said admitting Buddha, the reason not admitting in the hospital, the reason is Buddha. Okay, yeah. What I'm trying to explain Buddha, without password only I made the account. That's why the issue. Okay. So C6O2, 6H2O, 6H2O6, 6O2. Here also without putting 6 only I said the formula. To make it equal, LHS is equal to RHS, you have to put 6 with them. 6, 6, 6. Why we wanted to put 6? You may ask. Why we want that I don't know. Why we want to put 6 is with us? There are scientists they have put 2. Didn't tell you. LHS is not equal to RHS. They put 3, 4, 5. Didn't tell you. They have put 6 with it, became 10. So that they have put Buddha. So no issue. They have to put 6 Buddha. Now see Buddha. We have put 6 except this glucose. Except this C6H12O6 Buddha. We have put 6. For carbon dioxide 6 Buddha, water 6 and oxygen 6. For this we have put 6. As we see Buddha. Now we have to elaborate. C6. 6 into 2 is how much Buddha? 6 into 2 is how much? or 12. 6 2s are 12. Only one say is there over there. So 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Plus. There are 2 Buddha. How many H are there? This 6 should be multiplied with all the elements. How many? There are 2 H. How many H should be there? H. 6 into 2, 12. Or there are 1 here Buddha. 6 into 1, 6. This is the thing. I have expanded Buddha. Like this formula. I don't want to write this formula. If I write this, we will sleep. Mathematics, no. Okay. Then C6 H12 O6 plus 6 into 2, how much Buddha? Already 2 O's are there. I have put 6 here. O2. Nicely see now. C6. C6. Just multiplied by 6. That's all. O12. O12. H12. H12. O6. O6. LHS is equal to RHS. Understood? Both are equal, Buddha. You make this equal, Buddha. You may ask me, so what is the reason for making this equal? In mathematics, we are making this equal because it's a formula for us. Here, what the purpose of making this equal, Buddha? This is a rule. There's a rule now, Buddha. There are some fellows. My life, my rules. It's your life, Buddha, but it's not your rule. Okay, when you go to school, Buddha, you can't go out before the school ends. It's a rule, school rule. When you are staying in the signal light, Buddha, you can't go out of the signal light when it's red. Okay, because it's a government rule. Your life, but not to your rule, Buddha. Like that in science, your science only, but not your rule. You have to follow the mathematical form. For that only, Buddha, we are telling. Unless otherwise, we are not telling by this. Understood, Buddha? So this is the this is a photosynthesis formula. For this Buddha, they are providing like this marks. One, okay, for this one. Or they'll give only the photosynthesis, write the photosynthesis formula. You can get around 3 marks, you can get good. Just put 6. Just put 6 Buddha for carbon dioxide, water and oxygen. Don't put 6 for glucose and just expand. That's all. So these kind of things, Buddha. Well, these kind of things I'll elaborate with them. When our coming class is coming, Buddha, in our coming session, I'll tell the coming session date, Buddha, the end of the lesson. Okay, end of it about 10:25 like Buddha. I'll say the coming session date after asking that about questions. Okay, I'll say the coming session date. In that date, Buddha, I'll be doing the presentation wise only, so it will be more easy for you. You all can speak also. Okay, so that session. In that, Buddha, I'll elaborate these everything. It's free for you. One thing, Buddha, I made this free because you all are very poor. Okay, you all are paying fees for Buddha, 9 subjects in your school. Okay, you all are paying. No. Yes, you can hear me now, Buddha. They are teaching or not, Buddha, you all have to pay the term fees. So you all are very then Buddha, you all can hear. You all are very poor, Buddha, you have to pay fees for everything. So that Buddha, I made this session very easy, okay, to make it free for all. Okay, after some time, there are around 1,600 participants. Locally, there are someone here, somewhere asking for link because join here because it's the 1,000 capacity so much. Okay, these because of the Lola having a thing, you are having a okay, no? So with the you are no, oh, okay. Okay, Buddha. None? Okay, no? Clear. Okay. So that means this off sector, no? Okay, when call. Okay. Okay, students. So I made this more easy for you all because Buddha, you wanted to come forward. Okay, every people Buddha having a see, let's see when call comes. every people Buddha having a smartness in their heart. Okay, if you take Buddha, again I will take a Ronaldo. Okay, so not Ronaldo Buddha, Hussein. Hussein is his name Buddha, Bolt people give. Bill Gates. Gates is name Buddha, Bill people give. Like that Buddha, Usain Bolt is one of the most fastest person in the world. Am I correct or not? Are you expecting that? Are you accepting my answer? Most fastest person in the world. But no one can beat his record. But one person beat his record for the last time. You know who is that? You know who is that? Allyson Felix. You know who is that Allyson Felix? She is a girl. She is a girl Buddha, who beat in Usain Bolt's record. Allyson Felix. Yeah, shall I say another shocking thing? She broke Usain Bolt's championship. She broke Usain Bolt's target Buddha by having cesarean after 1 month. Taking her child Buddha after having a cesarean. Doctor told you can run and win. You know Buddha Nike. You know Nike. Correct. Nike. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. This Nike Buddha, they sponsored this Allyson Felix because before that she have to 6 championships. This Nike one is sponsored Allyson Felix. After knowing that she got cesarean, Nike took 75% of the sponsorship from Allyson Felix. You know that? Because Nike knows she won't win. She won. But Allyson Felix won Buddha. After winning the Allyson Felix, there was another thing. There was another. Okay, Allyson Felix. So sorry to repeat for the Allyson Felix. Okay, so after this, after she won for the Nike took this sponsorship now. After she won, there is a company. Okay, Open Happiness. What is the company's name? Open Happiness. Anyone is saying yes? Open Happiness. Who is anyone is saying the answer? Let me see. Open Happiness. No. Anyone is saying in December season only that will come? Huh? Huh? Not BMW. Open Happiness. Can you say that? If anyone says the answer? Difference? Sense. Let's say no. That Coca-Cola. Yes, who told? No. Yunus Ahmad. Congratulations, Buddha. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola sponsored Allyson Felix. You know for how many millions? Nike sponsored Allyson Felix for $80 million. Coca-Cola sponsored Allyson Felix for $98 million. Buddha. Exactly crossing around billion in Sri Lanka. You don't know how many zeros are there. Then I do. So what I'm trying to explain you is Buddha. Everyone is having a target in life. You also have a target, I also have a target. My target is not taking 1,800 plus students in the Zoom. Okay, my target is Buddha. Making this education is not based on the quality book. Sorry, education is not based on the quantity book. It's based on the quality. Quality of this. Everyone, that's why I said to you in the first of the beginning of the class. Everyone can teach. Only some can make you understand. Okay, in this Sri Lanka, I appreciate all the lectures. Okay, but my students ask me, sir, can't you teach 9 subjects? Okay, 9 subjects, if I teach, I'm not a good lecture. We'll go to the next topic. Next 6 Buddha. This is one thing. Another thing I would like to go Buddha, that is Chon. Okay, no? Okay. Next thing Buddha. Another thing I want to say, 2 things they'll be asking in your 2K20 oral paper. One is test of protein. Protein test. For protein test, Buddha, I'll teach you in the next classes. Upcoming session. It's free for you. Know. In protein test, Buddha, you are allowed to learn about the protein test is not a Burette test. About Burette test, you will be learning. Okay, in protein. Okay, next thing is Buddha, there is another sense, lipid test. Sudan 3. These 3 words, Buddha, these 2 words, don't forget in your life. Okay, one is protein Burette test. Another one is Buddha, lipid Sudan 3 test. These two things don't forget in your life. Buddha. MCQ anivaram. These two tests are compulsory. I'm teaching you Buddha. There are something I can't say you 100% because I'm not a magician, Vijay or someone. Okay, Buddha, or else I'm not a big magician in the world, but still I can make prediction. No, Buddha. Prediction is there. If there was a great cloud, one of my students, he was a follower of whatever I dress, follower dress center. Okay, so one day he went home and said, Mother, clouds are great. Positive charges and the negative charges in the clouds are making cracks. There are some dum-dum sounds. Sometimes H2O can come to the earth. Mother was shocked. Sun became silent. Say me something. What are you saying, Buddha? Mother, rain, go and take the clothes. Buddha, slipper came to our household. Understood? So be careful. That is study, but in a limited form. Okay. So these two words, Buddha, don't forget in your life. Yeah, because Buddha, these are very important to you. Okay. Next, I wanted to voice Buddha. Yes. At about 9:20, I have to finish. I will elaborate this lesson. I'm going in a. I told you I will give you 10 marks question. Okay. As I said to you, Buddha, if I tell you something, I will do it. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, student. Yes. So now I want to check whether it's clear or not. Okay, but the messages also I can see my assistant only say the message. If you have anything, you can ask in the message. He will tell you. Okay, then. So Buddha, at about 9:20, this Buddha, I'm going in the platform Buddha. It's like a platform. Okay, the thinner, the deep of the question Buddha, I'll go in the next session. No issue. It's the platform Buddha will go. Okay, done. Okay. With the platform, we'll go with the next thing. I'll share the presentation and do. Then only you can speak. Okay. This sometimes if I wanted to do my teaching is with a different. If I wanted to do with the okay. If I wanted to do physics and chemistry, you may ask with my student. I'll never do sharing the presentation because physics and chemistry we can't do sharing presentation. You have to see me. It's like a live class. No. So today white color shirt. No. Some fellows. So now only brushing sir, soon come the wait sir, I'll come soon. So this kind of live session you can but in next time I'll put the front camera if I wanted to when I'm teaching physics and chemistry I'll put the front camera I'll teach you. So it's easy for you all to understand. Okay, done. So I'll start the physics now. This one I'll teach in the coming lesson. With the I'll say you later at the end of the lesson. Next thing is with the pressure. Pressure and hydroelastic pressure and its application. Have you ever heard this name for the hydroelastic pressure and its application? Before going for this pressure Buddha, some students asked, sir, what is the biggest mistake of us? There are many students, they send me in WhatsApp, sir, teach how to study science. Buddha, I will teach how to study 9 subjects for your life. Buddha, every day this motivation will be not there. Huh? There will be motivation only, but I have to give the medicine for that now. If I tell drink these medicines, okay, your diseases will be cured. It's not the correct doctor. Buddha. I have to say, if you have to do this, you have to drink this medicine like diabetics. You have to drink, but don't eat any pani puri, okay, gulab jam, okay, vatlavam. Don't eat that one. That is for the system. So if I teach you science and go for this, like I'm giving the medicine. I have to teach you what is the precaution of how to study science. Everyone can teach, but only some can teach how to study science. Our Gandhi told, before studying something, study how to study it. படிக்கும் போது ஒரு விஷயத்தை எப்படி படிக்கிறேன்னு படிச்சுக்கோன்னு சொன்னாரு காந்தி. Ratan Tata told. Okay, Ratan Tata. Okay, if you wanted to study something, take whole one day how you are going to study him. Okay, ஒரு விஷயத்தை படிக்க போறோம்டா ஒரு டே எடுத்தா எப்படி படிக்கிறேன்னு கொஞ்சம் படிச்சுக்கோ. அப்பதான் படிக்கிறேன். புக் எடுத்து பார்த்து you can't study with. So Some students ask me how to study science. I'll teach you Buddha the biggest mistakes of this 2K 20 kids as you all. You all are very good Buddha. I really love something from you. You know, shall I say that Buddha? You all have to stand for your rights. When we are small Buddha, when we ask from our father, Father, shall I go out? Our father will say what? No. He'll be sitting. You are not going out Buddha. Okay, that's our 90s. In 20s, Buddha, there's an issue. Father, I'm going out. Don't go. I'll go and show. It will. However, you all are going, Buddha. So one thing I'm not telling Buddha that you have to against your parents. No, no, Buddha. If you are so aspirations about your subject, so why you can't study? One thing I'm saying, Buddha, professor is making a speech. Okay, yeah. You know, Buddha, when two ants are coming like this, both meet each other. Have you seen that? When two ants are coming, Buddha, both meet each other and go. Have you seen? They are our fellows. Sir, they are kissing. Oh, man, you are corrupted baskets inside the baskets of the baskets. Okay, not like that, Buddha. So, most of the. Wait. I'm waiting. Okay. How much? Good. Okay. 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 So two ants are meeting. So scientists are saying, okay, when there are two ants, can you admit it? Admit it. Wait, Buddha. Wait in the line. Get message. Get a message. Wait. Wait, Buddha. Okay. No. Nothing, Buddha. Okay. Done. Asma, hope everything is correct. Huh? Students, what I'm trying to explain is not everything is okay. There's nothing to see the admin things. Okay, so two ends of the meeting. The reason for that is normally while they are meeting, when one ant knocks each other, I think you are meeting a friend in the road. Okay, when you both knocks each other, but they are saying when they knock each other, 2 hours they are speaking about their life. So wasting time is your hobby. Don't waste time. Nowadays there are many fellows wasting time in TikToks. There are many fellows wasting time into the Instagrams, WhatsApp. You have to use that. You all are 20 kids. Without Instagram, WhatsApp, you can't learn. Okay, you all have to. Even this seminar went to hit to the peak because of social media. I didn't say no. It's not a bad thing if you use it in the good things. Okay, utilize your time. We'll go to the this one. Hydroelectric pressure it's happening. Students, as you see, this is the formula. I always okay, clear. No? I always say the formula, Buddha. I always teach you the formula with the triangular form. With the triangular form. Pressure equal. This is divide. This is divide sign. This is divide sign. This is multiplication sign. Okay. This is divide sign. This is multiplication. Pressure equal force divided by area. Pressure equal to the force divided by area. Understood? What is means by pressure? Pressure means a force applied to a particular area. Pressure means what? A force applied to a particular area. Or area to put the force. If I push the table, that table won't move. If I put this whiteboard, if I push this whiteboard, there is another whiteboard, it won't move. It will move in the ring movie only, Grudge movie. Okay, horror movie only it will move. But during reality, it won't move. Understood? So these pressure means a force exerted in a particular area. In a particular area, if you exert the force, is known as pressure. Okay. In a particular area, if you exert the force, is known as pressure. Okay. When you take the table and if you push it to the, okay, the table will be moved. So that is a pressure. In a particular area, the force is moved. Particular area. Only this way, when you push a car, that van will not move. So that's a particular area. Particular area means in an area, in a shortened area, the force is exerted. Okay, that is known as the pressure. Okay, pressure can be constructed like that. The pressure equal force over area. Pressure equal what to the? Pressure equal what? Force over area. Pressure equal what to the? Okay. Pressure equal what? Force over area. Students, I will be not giving any. I wanted to give you some questions. Okay, this is the beginning of the class now. Okay, force equal pressure equal force divided by area. This is a division sign. As we see, it's a division sign. Okay, this is the division sign. Okay, pressure equal force over area. This is the division sign. Okay, this is a division sign. Okay, this division sign. Okay, when I go it really good. I show you like this. Shortest temperature on the earth. I'm giving you shortest temperature on the earth. Okay, pressure equal force over area. This is the division side. Division. This is for the multiplication side. Pressure equals. I'm using 3 color marker. It doesn't mean I have to show that I have 3 colors. Make you understand. There, pressure equal force divided by area. It is force divided by area. Next thing, I'll take this thing to the next is the pressure force divided by area. If you want, this is a division side, this is a multiplication side. If you wanted to find the force, Buddha, so simple, pressure into area. The one triangle, 3 formulas. One triangle, 3 formulas. If you want to find the pressure, force divided by area. This is the division side. Okay, this is the division side. This is the division side. Okay, this is the multiplication side. Pressure equals force divided by area. Force equals pressure into area. Pressure multiplied by area. That is known as force. Yeah, this is multiplication sign. If you wanted to find the area, force divided by pressure. Understood? Pressure equal force divided by area. Area equal force divided by pressure. Force equal pressure multiplied by area. Understood? This is a multiplication sign. This is a division sign. Pressure equal force divided by area. Area equal force divided by pressure. Force equal pressure into area. So these kind of things. That's all. Okay. Force, pressure, into area. So one triangle Buddha, all 3 formulas I have taught. Okay. Shall we see a question? Shall we see a question? Find the pressure when pressure means Buddha, final answer should be Pascal. SI unit should be Pascal. PA. Okay, Buddha. Okay. Energy. Pressure is an energy. No? So that's write the question. Find the. Shall I write? I write the question in the. Buddha, put this triangle. Write this triangle in your writing book. Find the pressure when this is pressure now. When F equal 10 and area equals 5. Okay. Next question. Find the force means Newton, area means meter square. Okay. Newton meter square also you can write. Okay. Find the area when force equal 20 and pressure equal 2. Okay, find the area, find the pressure when force equal 10. Find the pressure when force equal 10 and area A equal 5. force equal 10 and A equal 5. Next question, find the area when if force equal 20 and pressure equal 2. When force equal 20 and pressure equal 2. Again, I'll say you, find the pressure when force equal 10 and area equal 5. Next question, find the area when force equal 20 and pressure equal 2. Okay. Next question, find the force when pressure equals 10 and area equals 5. Find the force when pressure equal 10 and area equal 5. Find the force when pressure equal 10 and area equal 5. Write the answer and send me a done message. Write the answer and send me a done message. Okay, write the answer and send me a done message. Write the answer and send me a done message. Write the answer and send me a done message. Don't forget that triangle Buddha in your life. Don't forget that triangle in your life Buddha. It will be most useful for you. More useful for you. Okay? Yeah. Understood? If you understood Buddha, say yes. Okay? Say yes. Yes. Coming yes message. Yeah. If you understood, say yes Buddha. Yes. Okay. Again. Loud. Don't shout Buddha. Okay. Kadan Nana will come to your house. He's sleeping. 9:40 no. This is Buddha. The physics lesson. Another thing in the physics you have to study about Buddha. Another thing you want to study in physics about hydrostatic pressure. Students, hydrostatic pressure means hydrostatic pressure means so simple. Okay, can I have them now? Hydrostatic pressure means so simple. What I'm trying to explain you is, okay, I draw the diagram. Lockdown. Hydrostatic is like the hydrostatic pressure. Students, hydrostatic pressure means, nicely see here, hydrostatic pressure means when simple shortest definition on the earth I'll give. Shortest definition on the earth. My always with my teaching trick is there. In this trick with in science, yes. In that trick with that science in science I use some shortest definition on the earth. One is for this hydrostatic pressure. More deeper, more pressure. However, more deeper, more pressure. When it goes more deeper, the pressure increases. More deeper, more pressure. Nicely see, this hole is up. There's a hole up with okay, this is a hole, this is up. This pressure is less. The reason for that it's up, no. When it goes little bit deeper, here, this pressure is low. When it goes even more deeper, this pressure is even more. When it goes deeper, the pressure is increasing. When deeper increases, pressure also increases. When it goes deeper, the pressure also increases. When it goes deeper, pressure is increased. It goes deeper. When you take a tank, below the tank only they put some taps. No? So when you open the tap, all the water will come. No, can I put the tap to the top of the tank? Come. Your best friend will put. My best friend told when we are studying always, no. My best friend told, Madam, I have an idea, man. I said, what? Going to build a well in my rooftop. I said, Madam, well in the rooftop. Oh, Madam, well in the balcony. Well in the balcony. That's his quote. Agree. Okay. So with the next time, no admit or anything with that, I'll give the password and we'll put it. To take the students count, I will put it. Then okay. So with the mother well in the balcony, mother how you are going to build a well in the balcony? No mother, if I keep the well like this and put some depth, the water will increase. We appreciated this. Ah, yes, no, mother, see, mother, yeah, different thing can become a this Neil Armstrong, mother, some told mother he can become a Bill Gates, mother. Okay, so these kind of things with the so that is our technique, that's our talent book. Okay, so what your is with us, simply I'm saying, don't misunderstand this. Some boys are misunderstanding. Okay, be careful. Okay, what I'm trying to explain is when it goes deeper, the pressure increases. Okay, when it goes deeper, when you put, you can't put the top of the tank. Your best friend will put. You don't have brain. Okay, when the tank got deeper, you have to put the depth down only. Then all the pressure will come to you. That's why the water is fast. However, that's why the water is fast. That's the reason. Okay, when you put the depth down, no more pressure to the water also the more. Okay, so keep that in your mind. Okay, this is about pressure and to the about this kind of things. Okay, so don't forget this hydroelastic pressure and its application. Before going for, I am Buddha, that's why I said to you, I am Buddha going in the base, I am Buddha going like a to say you Buddha, I'm not going deeper to the lesson. Okay, always Buddha, I'm going in the upper, I'm floating in the sea Buddha. Okay, if I go deeper, the 2 hours are not enough. Okay, I have to ask questions. Okay, I have to say about our next session's plan for the 2 hours are not enough. Okay, 2 hours are. So I'm going to just floating in the lesson in our next session. Coming sessions are there. In that sessions, I will go deeper in this lesson. Okay, before going for chemistry, we'll go to the chemistry part. Okay, we'll go to the chemistry. Students, when I write this, okay, why I'm saying teaching these 2-3 things is you have to understand. That is the one thing with that. Simply think about your parents. Okay, they all are the struggling to live. If I ask you one thing, you will say itself without your father's texts are books. You don't have the money to eat. Paripu and dry fish is your normal lunch time. Bread is your dinner. You love it or not, you have to eat with have to. That is the more critical situation of a Sri Lanka. Have to. So Buddha, I am giving maximum in my life. Without going here and there and teaching is not easy. Okay, I'm not telling about myself. Okay, I'm just showing. Okay, you have to see that clearly. To make your understand is something small. Before coming for a seminar, I searched how I can give shortest note to my students. Because I have to give you. Very powerful. Okay, this 2K20 batch is so powerful. Okay, you are going online class, I am 100% sure you are not understanding online class. Am I correct or not? Am I correct? Tell me, I understand. You are going for 2 things. One is teacher is taking the attendances giving to the principal. That's one reason. Another one is because you are giving to the online class, your parents are getting you. You are not getting no. I am under other year. I am saying you. Promise. I'll make you promise for you. No any students is getting and making, next year is coming. No, tomorrow you are studying simultaneous equation. Our science is coming. No, tomorrow we are studying about grade 11. Based on biological process. Only reproductive system, that's different story. People are getting that I know about some boys. Okay, but these are different. Don't make it as an easy task. I always say to my student, a person who sees the basement is building a building. Don't see the building and say, oh, Buddha. No. See the basement of it. How far it has been gone down. If someone asks me, sir, you are having thousands of followers, you are having 1.8K views in YouTube. Sir, life is, you became successful. Who told me? Right? Some fellows are messaging me WhatsApp. Sir, there are level. No, sir. No, Buddha. I'm not successful. No, never. No. Don't think. The reason for it is, Buddha, I started my class with one student for 4 months, and 2 students for 8 months to the. My monthly salary is 700 rupees. Don't forget. Don't forget. My first target, I wanted to say, why Ahmad sir is here? Why I want any waiting? Any waiting is there? How many? 60. Can you help me? Yes. Okay, students, 6. Okay, so they're asking, there are many students, they're asking, sir, you became successful? No, I'm not successful. Still working hard in life is for the always success, don't have any full stop. It's having only commas. Okay, success always having commas for the, you don't have full stops. Okay, put a comma for your success. There is no any full stop. Don't see a building and say, wow, see the basement, how hard they have worked. For 8 months, I earned only 700 rupees. 700 rupees. Going in bus, taking a laptop. What the hell is I had a Samsung laptop. What the hell? These months of time, one thing Buddha, my want and need. Wants and need and wants. Buddha, my need is one thing. To give, Buddha, to give the proper education to the students in a betterment. Okay, students should learn science easily. That is my first need. Okay, another want is you all have to take results. Okay, not for any other things and not for any other corporations with teaching all. These are the 2 main things. Don't forget. Okay, Buddha. So coming to the next and the last subtopic of the day. Okay, chemical bonds. Write this chapter. Write this. Direct messages. No. Okay, Buddha. Chemical bonds. Okay, write this Buddha. Chapter chemical. When you see this chapter Buddha, some fellows heart. Okay. Vandetta. Chemistry. Okay. Students, before going for this chemistry, I wanted to say you all chemical bonds. Students' main issue. Okay, students' main issue is you all are getting scared. There is a story that I can remember about scaredness. Once upon a time, Buddha, in this world, the most strongest person is, can anyone say that one, Buddha? Alright, who is the most strongest person? Alexander. Alexander is the most strongest person in the world. A great king, Alexander. When someone says Alexander, when Alexander is coming from there, the fellow will run from you. Fellow will come and first take the sweat and only speak to them. Like I'm speaking with my mother. Alexander. Every time there was a sweat with him. One of the most powerful sword. People got together and they told, we'll make Alexander scared. We haven't seen any scaredness in his life. We'll show what is scaredness in his life. Alexander. So people got together and they made a meeting, a tea party, to make Alexander scared. Okay, so some people told how we make this scared is when we drinking the tea, Alexander will be in the stage room. We'll put our tea glass down. Alexander will get scared and we'll all get up and say, Alexander, now this is the meaning, definition for the scared. Okay, this is the definition for the scared. We'll tell Alexander. Then everyone got together, tea meeting. Don't ask Ceylon tea or any other thing. Okay, there are different tea. Tea meeting. When Okay. Yeah. Yes, Timmy. So Alexander is in the stage. Alexander arrived. Everyone is drinking the tea. Before they are putting the glass down, they are what is their wants for the they have to make Alexander with a scared. Just the thing. Before they putting the glass down, there was a big bomb blasted to the next side, next stage of the gun. Big bomb. Everyone got scared and the all woke up. Alexander, as seated in the stage, he asked, "What is that sound?" This is Alexander. This is Alexander. Akian Alexander here. Don't get scared for your life, Buddha. Why are you getting scared in here? What you wanted to scared, you are not scared. What you are scared in, you are scared. Example, okay? Example, I'm saying. You are studying and going to the exam. Why you wanted to scared? No scared. No. Okay, Buddha, why you wanted to studying and going for the exam? But you are scared. You are having a degree and going to the interview. Why you wanted to scared for the okay? Why you wanted to scared? Okay, you are having a degree and going for the interview means Buddha. Why you wanted to scared? So simple, Buddha. You know you will get the job. That's all. Okay, so that's a different part. Okay, but you are getting scared. You are studying and going for the all examination stuff. Buddha, for this and all you are getting scared. Okay, these are unwanted. You are not. Don't get scared, Buddha. But for which you wanted to start with, you are not getting. You are going to do a bad thing. You are going to say some unwanted things with your friends. Get scared for them. But for that, you are not scared. Don't get scared in your life. There are things to be scared, but not everything. Chemical, this chemistry is with a scared for everyone. So, आपको chemistry का कथा करने पास. आपको वेला दिन, आपका वेला दिन यहाँ पे. अभी बता so. What I'm trying to explain is Buddha, for chemistry don't get scared. Eat Buddha. Go and stand. Teacher, what you told? I can't solve the equation, I'll solve it. Simple. Teacher, what you told? I can't do this, I'll do it. And Buddha. Success is a journey. If you have the success in your heart, no need to start for anyone Buddha. Who are there to get scared? Everyone will speak Buddha. Everyone will speak about you. If you didn't take one, after all the results come, first one who is going to ask is your relations. You don't know who even. Unknown numbers only will come. See, I am your Sata is speaking. I have only two Sata. Who are you? Any Sata may tell you a result. See, this will happen. People is waiting Buddha. That's why I'm saying the secret of success is Buddha. If you want to win yourself, Buddha, simply I'm saying appreciate others with. Now people are jealous. So is number one, sir. I'm number two only, sir. If you want to win, Buddha, appreciate others win. If they win, I love you are coming up, Mother. Appreciate, don't become jealous. Our Sri Lankans are having a thing, Buddha. If they win, okay, if they win, for example, if I win, just imagine, I'm not like that. Ask for my students. If I win, or if someone wins, they say it's a hard work, dedication, implementation, okay, dedication, everything else. If others win, mata luck, only luck is coming. Is win by luck, luck, appreciate others win. If you appreciate others win, God will help you to win. That's why I'm saying, Buddha, if you want to win, appreciate others. Come to the chemical students. First, I'll say there are coal and bonds and chemical bonds. Both are different, Buddha. Before going for that, Buddha, okay, chemistry lesson. First thing you wanted to understand is, okay, can you admit how many students? I have 14 students admitted. Yeah, internet connection not stable. That's right. So, Buddha, nicely, is it? Okay, so chemical bonds. Students, when you come to chemical bonds, Buddha, there are 4 buses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 buses. Okay, don't get scared. Huh? I'll give you the shortest definition here. There are 4 buses. A, B, C, D. Okay, KLMN. KLM. Something. Satnam. Students, your school teacher might teach you. Your school teacher might taught you Buddha. First orbit, you have, your school teacher might taught you. First orbit Buddha, you have 2 seats. Second bus, you have 8, third bus 16, fourth bus 32. What is your will Buddha? What is your goal you wanted to pass? Okay. Can't see. Yeah. Okay, huh? Okay. Done. Done with that. Okay. 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 Resident. Okay. Okay. Students will is out for the draw. Yeah. Students, first bus, second bus, first bus, second bus, third bus, fourth bus. Okay. Ah. Wait. I'll say the award winning questions. Huh? At the end of the session, I'll say. First bus, second bus, third bus, fourth bus. Students, nicely remember. Okay. Your teacher might say you. First bus, 2 children. Second bus, 8 children. Students, what is your goal? Okay, I am teaching you to pass, to get past your O-level, not A-level. A-level is tomorrow. Okay, A-level next day, tomorrow, future. Your first goal is to pass the O-level. I don't want to teach you extra knowledge. I don't want to go to the history and teach you. I don't want to teach you what is Hinduism, which is coming to the exam. I have to teach you. Am I right? But which is coming, sir? This is coming to the exam. That's it. What is coming, I'll teach you. Same thing I'll teach you. Okay? 2 bus, 8. Second bus also 8. Third bus also 8. Fourth bus also 8. No issues. In the exam, this only coming. Just imagine, in first bus, you can put 2 children. First bus with the women children, you can put 2. Second bus, you can put 8 children. Third bus, you can put 8 children. Fourth bus, you can put 8 children. Imagine, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Boron is having 5 children. Element number, boron. So simple to that. Right, like this. Boron is having 5 children. 1, 2. Only 2 seats are there, Pekka. 3, 4, 5. Am I right? Boron is having 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I correct? Am I right with that? Satnan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, now only work starts. Okay? Boron is having 5 children. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Boron is having 5 children. Boron is having 5 children. Students, 1, 2, only 2 seats are there in first bus. In this bus, only 2 seats. Second bus having 8 seats. But 1, 2, full, we can take to the people stand. Okay? Second bus, 3 children are there. 1, 2. Okay. Done. Students, I erase these two. These two buses are now unnecessary. These 2 buses are now unnecessary. See here. In the last orbit, in this last bus, everything last bus. In the last bus, if the electrons are less than 4, in the last bus, if the children are less than 4, you have to keep a bomb and blast the bus. That's it. If in the last bus, if the electrons are less than 4, you have to keep the bomb and blast the bus. That's all. Finish. That's it. If it's less than 4, now how many children are in the last bus? Say William. Say everyone, say William. How many children are in the last bus? 1, 2, 3. Done. Less than 4, more than 4. Less than 4, more than 4. Less than 4. You are going to send them people or take people. You have to keep the bomb and blast. You have to make them dead. Buddha, if I keep the bomb and blast, how many children are dying? How many children are dying? If I blast this bus, how many children are dying? 3 children are dying. Simple. The chemical bomb, the electronegativity, okay, of this boron, electronegativity of this boron is 1, 2. How many children? This bus is normal. You kept the bomb and blasted. No. This bus is normal in this distributor. Finished. Okay. How many children are blasted for that? How many children died? 3 children. If children died, we have to put plus 3. That's it. If it's less than 4, you have to take the electrons, take the children, and how many children you took, you have to put plus. If it's more than 4, very good, minus. If it's less than 4 plus, how many children you took, you have to put plus. If it's more than 4, it's minus. We'll do the question. See, boron plus. Because we have to teach children. Students, your teacher will ask. Come. Boron is having 5 children. You have put only 2. Don't you have eyes? I have eyes, teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Done. Correct. Finish. Boron is having 5 children. Understood with that? So what I'm trying to explain here is this is the electron. We'll take like this. Another question. We'll take another question. Okay? We'll take another question. We'll take another. Carbon, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. We take oxygen. Oxygen is having how many children with that? 8. Oxygen is having how many children? 8. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, very good. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Oxygen, huh? First bus, how many seats are there? First bus, how many seats are there? Seat. Very good. 2 seats are there. 1, 2. In 8 children, 2 children are okay. In your balance, how many children are there? Balance, how many children see? Balance, how many children are there? 2 children are. Balance, how many children? Very good. 6 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 8 children. 1, 2. First bus, only 2 seats are there. Second bus, 8 seats are there. So I am putting only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Yeah? Students, in last bus, more than 4 or less than 4. In last bus, more than 4 or less than 4. In last bus, more than 4 or less than 4. 6 are there. Last bus, 6 are there. More than 4 or less than 4. More than 4. If it's more than 4, Buddha, you have to take and put minus. Example, how many seats are there in last bus? How many seats are there in last bus? 8 seats are there. How many seats are there in last bus? 8 seats are there. How many children are there? 6 children are there. Students, what you want to put is 2 seats are well as to put that 2 and put minus. If you take 2 children, minus 2. If you take 1 children, minus 2. If you take 3 children, minus 3. Last of it, 6 children are there. Okay? 8 seats are there. How many seats are there? 2 seats. More than 4, no? Not less. If it's less than 4, you have to put a bomb and blast the bus. It's more than 4, no? So you have to put 6 children are there, no? So you have to take 2 children and occupy the bus and put 5 bus. The teacher will ask 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oxygen is having only 8 children. Why you put 10 children? Teacher, 10 minus 2, 8. Correct. More than 4 means minus. Less than 4 means plus. If it's 4, Buddha. If it's 4, it's share. We'll teach in the next session. I'll teach in the next session. Buddha. If it's 4, it's share. It's not for the share. It's shares. Okay, I'll teach in the next session. Did you understand this one? If it's less than 4, keep the moment, blast the bus, and put plus. If it's more than 4, full the bus. Okay, bus stop full agro. Fill the bus to the peak with the 8 seats means 8 seats. 8 children should put there with the put minus. Okay, understood with that? If it's less than 4 plus, more than 4 minus. So simple, very simple. Sharing and all. This is the beginning of your life. This is the beginning of your chemistry life. So just have a, did you understand with that? Send me a yes message. Send me a message. Yes message if you have understood. Okay. Send me a okay. Okay. Everyone is yes, no? This is yes. Okay. Students, last but not the least. Okay. There are many students messages me and ask me, sir, what we wanted to do when other people spoke about us. There are people speaking about us. There are people speaking about us. Okay. There are people speaking about me also. Every day people is speaking. How much I get my mouth is not good. That's why my students are taking island. Mouth is not good, sir. Only without teaching me. Because I can't teach. I can't teach like the schools are now coming in, having a small dance. And with the writing, he is having a sunglass like this. Bank statement, bank reconciliation statement. Oh, both. Understood? I had to come to you. Why some students, what is meant by Buddha? There are students, I'm proud to say Buddha, there are 1,800 students with the YouTube Buddha, and there are students from Mahanalla, Malwana, Batikula, Ampara, Akurana. There are some names I even don't know. Jaffna, okay, Kalpitia, Kurnagala, Hangmella, Badulla, Noralia. Okay, so these kind of things are Buddha. Okay. So these kind of students wanted to say one thing. If others are speaking about you, that others are there, they are jobless. There are some friends with you. When you are in grade 10, when you are in grade 9, fellows will be together with the we are pangus, we are born together, we are blood. See, but the friends are not with you, no. They are not with you. No, they are having another group. They are putting status for you. Are you jealous of me? To the people who speak about you is a jobless people. You don't become a jobless by speaking about them. Think twice before you. Okay, so chemistry also say, okay, when you study something, when you listen something, that's why I say like Usain Bolt. Okay, when Usain Bolt is running in the Olympics, before he runs in the Olympic like Olympic 7, before he runs he had a heart pain. He went to the doctor, okay, and asked, doctor, I have a heart pain. What shall I do? Doctor told, if you run in the Olympic, you will die. Usain Bolt told, I am proud that I die in the Olympic, then I am staying home and die. Proud. When I am running, I have to die. Now he is the greatest achiever in a seconds. Per second, he earned around $2.5 billion US. Haters are gonna have to ignore God. Okay? Always be happy. Okay, that's what I want. If you want the secret of success is for the habits. Apply with that. Every day is fine. If someone told you, okay, thank you, man. Thank you. Because when they are the biggest fans of you. Smile. Smile is the medicine for therapy for all the problems you face in your life. Okay, I have to speak about our coming session. Students, our coming session. Our coming session will be every Tuesday. Coming session will be every Tuesday. Some might have classes. That is all there. Every Tuesday from 9 to 10:30. Our session will be every Tuesday free Buddha. Free for you all. 9 to 10:30 every Tuesday. Tuesday 9 to 9 to 10:30 p.m. Night. I know Buddha some are having classes. I know some are having classes. They would like to join our session. So what to do? But I have only this time. Okay, so having classes, your class, which time it's finishing? Which time the class is finishing on Tuesday? What's the time the class is finishing for you? 11 o'clock. I can't keep from 11 to 12:30. Oh, bad. Some 10. Class is finishing at 10. 9. Huh? 11, 10. 9, 10. Morning you have school. Okay, for you all, I can say we'll keep from 9:30 to 11 will. Okay, final time, final time, final time, final time for the keep you from 9:30 to every Tuesday, PM, night. Okay, very sorry, very sorry. Still you have classes. Okay, you can send your friends also, they can also join. Okay, still you are, that will be not going in YouTube. Okay, 9:30 to 11. Still they have classes. Okay, if I'm doing you all free, I have to sacrifice some. See, Buddha, you are seeing life with me, Buddha. Did I see that now? I am standing Buddha from, I think, from 7:45 here, Buddha, I'm standing here. Did I see it? No. So if I have a something, some Buddha, Ahmad sir's quality is education is not quantity, Buddha, it's quality. Not quantity, it's quality. Okay, my teaching is like if I do free or with money, Buddha, it's no any difference. With the same time, I will. Buddha, in this session, what we will study is we are saying black and white. Black and white means not MGR's film or Buddha, Charlie Chaplin's jokes, Buddha. Black and white means what happened before. Okay, revision. Grade 10. Grade 10, there are many things now. Quantitative of elements, atom, okay, mole values, okay, that you can't understand. These kind of things we will be studying as a revision in a shorter session. Whether your teacher is coming and telling you to study the Coral Group commissions in history. In Islam, Buddha, you know the hadiths and how many people participate. In history, Buddha, sorry, in English, past and present tense, present continuous. If you take, I can say and go with the literature, number room that there. In science also, if I tell you to study everything, I'm not a good teacher. I teach Buddha, and while I'm teaching, you will grab. That's what I. My teacher is not like that, but I have to be a good role model to my students. Very sorry, Buddha. Every Tuesday, not put in your reminder, 9:30 to 11. Buddha will have this session. Next thing is Buddha. Some students are very new to here. Any? No, any? Make it. Okay, now, can you hear? There are some students, they are new to here. Okay, they told me to introduce me. Nothing with that. I am not Bill Gates, so I am not any other celebrity to introduce me, Buddha. Nothing is there to say about me. I am a humanity with human being. Each I have humanity, I took your class. Okay, Buddha, a person should have humanity, that's the type. Buddha, the feedback for our classes. Okay, I need some feedback more because new students have to take feedback. So I will upload this session. Okay, I will upload this session in YouTube. Buddha, they can hear. I will upload this session in YouTube. Buddha. One thing you wanted to do is put a comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. That is, subscribe our YouTube channel, tell your friends, and put a comment to the how you felt. Okay, in our YouTube. In this session, I will upload. This session tonight, 10:30 class is finishing now. At about 11 o'clock, 11:50, I will upload this session. Okay, I will upload me. After uploading, I will put a status uploaded. Okay, put up a comment how you felt in this session. If you are understood and you are going to come for my next sessions, Okay, I'm very happy to say, Putha, this is one of the most largest class. Okay, I don't know before there's a class but most largest class is 2,000 capacity students with YouTube and all that. So that's why I'm saying you put up a comment. Okay, put up a like and put up a comment to the in our YouTube channel. I put the link. Okay, this session I'll upload at 11 o'clock. Then for the you put a feedback, so it will be more easy whether I did well or not. Okay, that's what, not any other thing. Next thing I want to say you about our awards. Yes, students, you have to send the answer to my assistant's number. Okay, you have to send the answer to this number. Not this number. No, in WhatsApp only. Please save this number. In WhatsApp only, I have to say. In waiting list. 3. Okay, students. In WhatsApp only, you will have to send the answer. Okay, WhatsApp only, you will have to send the answer. Nicely listen. I'll read the question. Some question I took from my also. From my teaching also, I took some question from short stories. I'll tell the question and wait for 1 minute. Okay, you send the answer to my assistant's number right now with your name, answer, and school. You have to space. In WhatsApp. Okay, brother, no space. Okay, name, answer, and school. In WhatsApp. The number is not voice message. You have to write down. You have to write and send name, answer, and school. Okay, students, the number is right now. If I write the number, you will get stuck now. Before that, I'll say you. After you send, who sends first the correct answer will be awarded with 99 rupees free load. If one person told 2 or 3 answers, they will be not taking Buddha. We are taking only one person, one answer. So that we'll have 15 award winners. We'll have Buddha 15 award winners. Only one person, one answer will be selected. Who selected first will be the award winner. Students, award winner will be announced next day. I mean tomorrow before 12 o'clock with arm first poster. Buddha. Because that today 11 or 12 o'clock you will know the award winner. We have to ask the photo from you. Okay, if you are like to give the photo. Okay, 15 award winners photo with their name and school. Okay, we'll be publishing in our Armfirst magazine, in our fan page, YouTube, and Armfirst Facebook. Okay, around people are going to see you with them. Okay, around millions of people are going to see you. Okay, this photo, your photo will be published in our magazine. You can put as the status. That is tomorrow, but today, 11 itself, you will know who are the winners. Okay, who are the winners, please? I'll ask the winners the photo. Okay, so they know they are the winners. So tomorrow morning with that magazine, you will get your reward ASAP. Okay, but I'll publish that magazine in my WhatsApp status. Hope your number is saved in my mobile. Hope your number is saved in my mobile. 075284123. My mobile number. You will send the I sent the congratulations. My assistant sent it. Okay, brother. So you have to send the answer to. You have to send the answer to 075 2 19. 075 2 19. Take this number. Soon save the number. 075 2 19. 075 2 19. Only WhatsApp answers are accepted. Only WhatsApp answers are accepted. 075 2 19. Only WhatsApp answers without this 191 now. 191. 191, no, sir. Correct, no? 075 2 191.
You like big letters, yeah.
075 2 191.
Double two, double two.
Okay, 075 2 191. 4 2s 191. Are you with that? Yes. Without these three details, I will not take the answers. Huh? Without these three details, I will not take the answers. First question. First questions. Are you ready with that? Say ready. Say ready in the message. Ready, done. First question. Which is the most poisonous ant? 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 Okay, with that, don't write say red ant, black ant. Okay. Next. Which insect lays egg inside the body? 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 First question to the which is the most poisonous ant? Second question, which insect lays eggs inside the body? Which insect lays eggs inside the body? Third question. What happens when most poisonous ant bites? 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 Okay, no? Done. Next. Who is the father of science? Who is the father of science? From science also I'm asking question. Huh? Who is the father of, not your father, Buddha? Oh, next to uncle. There is a father of science. Who is the father of science? 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 You can hear me? Who is the father of science? Okay, that is fourth question. Huh? Who is the father of science? Fourth question. Who is the father of science? Who is the father of science? Okay, who is the father of science? Next question. I mean the fifth question. Fifth question. Okay. When there are less than 4 electrons in an orbit, what we have to do? Plus or minus. When there are less than 4 orbits, less than 4 electrons in the last orbit, is it plus or minus? When there are less than 4 electrons in the last orbit, is it plus or minus? When there are less than 4 electrons in the last orbit, is it plus or minus? When there are less than 4 electrons in the last orbit, is it plus or minus? Right? Plus or minus. That's it. Answer is plus or minus. Yes, easy question, but competition is high. Yeah? Like commerce only. Taking commerce easy, but competition is high. Fifth question. What are the 4 biological compounds? 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 You have to send all the 4 components. What are the 4 biological compounds? Fifth question. Fifth one. Sixth is, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth one, yes. Sixth one, Buddha, what are the 4 biological compounds? Sixth one is, what are the 4 biological compounds? What are the 4 biological compounds? Yes. Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? What is the name to test protein? Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? Seventh question. What is the name to test protein? Eighth question. What is the name to test lipids? Eighth question. What is the name to test lipids? Eighth question. What is the name to test lipids? Eighth question, Buddha. What is the name to test lipids? What is the name to test lipids? What is the name to test lipids? Eighth question. Eighth question. What is the name to test lipids? Ninth question. What are the elements consist in carbohydrate? Ninth question. What are the elements consist in carbohydrate? Ninth question. What are the elements consist in carbohydrate? Ninth question. What are the elements consist in carbohydrate? Ninth question. What are the elements consist in carbohydrate? Tenth question. Tenth question. What are the elements consist in protein? Tenth question. What are the elements consist in protein? Tenth question. What are the elements consist in protein? Tenth question. What are the elements consist in protein? What are the elements consist in protein? 11th question. 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? 11th question. What are the elements consist in lipids? What are the elements consist in lipids? 12th question. What are the elements consist in nucleic acid? 12th question. What are the elements consist in nucleic acid? 12th question. What are the elements consist in nucleic acid? 12th question. What are the elements consist in nucleic acid? 12th question. What are the elements consist in nucleic acid? What are the elements consist in nucleic acid? What are the elements consisting in nucleic acid? 13th question. Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? 7th question. Sorry. 13th question. Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? Okay. Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? Okay. 13th question. Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? Who chased the Usain Bolt victory? The person who called fearless of earth. The person who called fearless on 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 earth. 15th question. Okay. 15th question. This is, if you read my leaflet, you will know. Okay, this is about me, Buddha. What is the quote of Armadillo's? What is the quote of Armadillo's quote? It's in my leaflet. Okay, under my name you can see. What is the quote of Armadillo's? I always say at the end of the class. What is the quote of Armadillo's? What is the quote? Quote. Quote means not quote. What is the quote of Armadillo's? Yes, students, hope you all have sent the answer. It's 10:35. Have a nice day, Buddha. Meet you all next Tuesday. Tata, bye bye. Take care always. When I uploaded this session, Buddha, put up a comment in our YouTube channel. Okay, have a nice day, Buddha. See you soon. Okay, we have to like the tree, not just in. See you always. Can you repeat the last question? What is the quote of Armadillo's? Okay.